Welcome back our YouTube channel. Today our lecture Washington City about where is Washington City? Washington City in US main United States. Washington DC formerly and the District of the Columbia and commonly known as Washington or DC is the capital city and federal district of the United States. The city is on the Potomac River across from Virginia and shares land borders with Maryland to its north and east. It was named for George Washington, the first president of the United States. The district of the name is named for Columbia and the female personification of the nation. And the next Washington about the U.S. Constitution of 1789 called for the creation of a federal district under the exclusive jurisdiction of the U.S. Congress. As such, Washington D.C. is not part of the state, okay, and is not one itself. I mean, the Washington is not part of the state and is not one of the itself. The Residence Act adopted of the July 16, 1790 approved the creation of the capital district along the Potomac River. The city was founded in 1791 and the 6th Congress held the first session in the unfinished Capitol building in 1800 after the capital moved from Philadelphia in 1801 the District of Columbia formally moved from Philadelphia in 1801. The District of the Columbia formerly part of the Maryland and Virginia and including the existing settlements of the Georgetown and Alexandria was officially recognized as a federal district. Initially, the city was a separate settlement within the larger district. In 1846, Congress returned and the land originally ceded by Virginia, including the city of Alexandria in 1871, it created a single municipality for the remaining portion of the district. Okay, there have been several unsuccessful efforts to make the district into a state since of the 1880s. A statehood bill passed the House of the Representatives in 2021, but it was not adopted by the U.S. Senate. And the design in 1791 by Pierre Charles L'Enfant. The city is divided into quadrants, which are centered around the Capitol building of the include 131 neighborhoods. And the today lecture was ended from this topic. I will see you later in next lecture and about next city of the US and some weight from my next video. Thank you to watch my all video.